Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reset a phone Android device to factory reset. You have to go to it first in setting. In setting you can see there is several options. You can see the about the phone information, what some software version, about the storage, device name. You have to go to backup and restore before resetting if you want to backup your data, or you can go to in factory reset option to set is to factory settings. You can see the items which will be erased if you want to reset your phone: accounts, contacts, photos and videos, apps, backup, SD card data, other items on the device. Everything will be erased. So we will try to erase everything. So I press this here. I have to type my pin here before erase the data, so I will type it here. You can see here. So it is asking backup item first. If you want to backup your data before removing, you have to press and backup, or you can just slightly press factory reset. So it is showing you again, warning you the attention. If you want to backup, you have time, otherwise it will do the next. So I will try to next without backupping data. So they are giving you another option to make sure, because you can't reset or undo the same once you erase everything. You can't back up anything. So I am sure I want to remove everything without backup, so I press OK. So it's done, it's working on the reset, so it will erase everything. It will take quite some times. You can see it's erased everything and the my icon is coming up, so it's removing everything. You can see the percentage. It's done. You can see now it will restart again. You can see the MI logo with Android logo. It's working. So it takes some times to erase everything. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to do all the process. If you have many items, it will take some more time, and for backupping it will take longer time because you have data, but we did it without backupping our data. Let's see how much time it takes to go to factory reset. This device is very nice. I am using since few days. Battery backup is very nice. Still it's working. We will wait until it finished and set to reuse with new user with factory setting. It's done. We can see it ready to hand over to new user with new setting. You can go to next and set as a new device. So it's done. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, just type in the comment section. I will try to answer, and you see how long it takes. Thank you very much.